Good morning, everyone. What I'm going to be covering today, just a very short, quick video, is a little helper I made to help me with my assembly programming. So what I can do is, let me just jump into my file system here and get to my working files. And I'll show you, yesterday I briefly sort of flashed that I was doing some 64-bit assembly, and that's what I'm going to be working on for the next couple months. And I just wrote a small hello world type program and just said it's been great being away from social media and it was nice to take a couple days off. When you write these assembly programs, you first have to know the syscall number, and then you have to know the parameters of that call. So this one is the write syscall, and it is number 1. And then you need a file descriptor, which you can put in RDI as 1. Then you need to load your string into the RSI register, which is just up here. You load effective address. And then the 4th parameter is the length of the fuck string right here, okay, which is 55. So to get all this, you need to, I'll just show you. So you need to find the UNIS TD64, and we'll just grab this a hold, copy selection, and we cat this, and then you can sort of put in your, you can grep it for whatever exit. I'm doing the exit now, which is the next function right here with syscall 60. Then you also have to go to the man2 pages, and let's just say we're going for exit again here for the 60. You also have to come to the man2 page and then see what you need to put in to make the function work. So this is where you get your arguments and stuff too. So what I did, that takes a couple minutes, and if you're trying to get this stuff done, it can bog you down for a couple seconds. So I made a program, of course. So this is just a little program I made this morning, Assembly Buddy, just some ASCII art. And then it just says, please enter a function. It reads the function that you enter. It then puts it into the man2 as whatever function you're looking for. And then it also greps where we just looked in the Uni STD64 as well. So I'll show you how that program works. And it's pretty badass. It saves me a bit of time. So I love programs that save me time. So here's buddy.sh. So let's just say we were doing exit. Then the man2 page is right here. So we can figure out what calls we need to make. And then print it right here at the bottom is our UNI STD, and it shows the exit function number for the syscall and everything. So instead of having to type it out twice, now I just have this little bash script put in. I just put in what function I'm looking for. It brings up the man page and the Uni STD64 page as well. So I hope you enjoyed that. That's just a little fun with bash I'm having this morning, and I'll talk to you guys soon.